Okay, so the first three topics, I sent them to you. Gilantaw to ninyong video. Gilantaw, wala.
Kaman pa ko sa ikadua, ma'am.
It's okay. Okay, so if hopefully mahuman ni nato this week, kanina lang manabilin para sa atong midterm topic kaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll have our exam sa Monday. Kanira nga chapter. Katong tulo ka video nga akong gisend sa inyo. Tapos kani sila. Okay? Let's start now for this with the tangent, planes, and linear approximation. Now, when we say tangent class, you have this specific point, di ba? So that's why we have P sub O here on the surface S. And CC be any curve passing through point P. So this is how tangent looks like. Nakay point, nakay curve, diha nag-agi ang imuhang curve sa plane. Now, let's have the definition. So, let S be a surface defined by a differentiable function, z, which is equal to f of xy, and p sub o equal to x sub o x, y sub o. So, diri class, we have two variables, and kaning nga point will come from the domain of f. Then, the equation of the tangent plane to S at point P is equal to f of x sub o y sub o plus the derivative of f of x sub o and x minus x sub o and with respect to y and its a difference. So kani ang ato ang ito gani. Kaya ito ang formula to get the equation of the tangent plane. Now, for example, we have we will try to find the equation of the tangent plane to this function and the point 2, 1. Okay. So first, we find, pangitaon sa nato kay naman to derivative. Derivative of x, of f of xy with respect to x, we have 4x minus 3y, ma-0 na nino, plus 2, 0, 0. For your y, with respect to y, 0 na ni, mahimo ning 3x, kani 16y, negative 4. So after ninyo makuha ang inyong derivatives, we will now substitute the point 2, 1 sa inyong x and y. So we have, kaning sa first, wala pa ninyo gikuha og derivative, direct substitution. Kani katunang sa result. Okay? Wala rin question sa pag-substitute dire. Dara? If wala, let's proceed. So, after ninyo makuha ang pag-substitute class, remember si z ganina, this is equal to f of xy. So, z is equal to f of x sub o, kani? Mamani x sub o ninyo. Which is, ang result, 34. Dayon 13 for x. X minus 2. Ang 2 gikan gihapon ni dire. And 26 times y minus negative 1. And this is your equation. Okay? Now, let's proceed to this. So let's find the equation of the tangent plane to the surface defined by kani. So similar ano, first, kaning negative 1, 3, directly substitute. After nimo ma-direct substitute, get the derivative of f with respect to x and f with respect to y. And then, after ana, i-follow na dayon ninyo ning balik ta sa formula. Kani. Okay? Direct substitution data diri tanan. And after that, masubstitute ninyo, you will have the answer nga z is equal to 7x plus 8y minus 3. Okay, so I'll give you, unsa ni oras ron? 1:41 sa ako ang laptop. So, I'll give you 5 minutes to solve sa kani. And then, after 5 minutes, i-keep inyong answer kaya mag-create taon niya og quiz para ana. You will submit your answer dito sa Google Classroom later, okay? Copy the problem first.
Okay, ma'am.
Copy the problem first. And then,
Can equal 4.4,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes, kani. Na naman mo yung answer dire, I just need the solution.
How kanila
Ay, ani na lang, later na lang na, kay we will end early na lang para kaninyong mag-serve as quiz, okay? Ay, nakapin na?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Wala pa, ma'am.
Just tell me when you're done. Mana?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if ever tagaan mog sine, cosine, o uban pa nga mga like variable as long as na variable x and y diha, pareha ra gihapon class. Direct substitution, get the derivative of x with respect to y, of f with respect to x, and the derivative of f with respect to y. Okay. Dili na nako na-emphasize ha. Now, this time, let's proceed. Wait lang.